I never seen that.
What's up, YouTube?
It's your boy D-Lo.
It's your girl Shell.
Back with another bang video.
Another banger. Today is day 3, 4, something like that.
Yeah.
We lost count. Yeah. I'm saying. Day 3 or 4, something like that.
Everybody
We're out
in their
here.
respective cars.
We're out here.
To the beach and
We're about to go to the beach.
We outside, nigga.
We were supposed to leave.
We outside.
Like, what time is it? We were supposed to leave like 3 hours ago. But you know, it's okay. We're
know,
getting there
it's
slowly but surely.
It's 20 people, but you
It's
can't
20.
Expect, you can't expect
It's not easy to get everybody on one accord. But now we're here. And now we're about to go there. So we'll see y'all there.
You know, it's just D-Lo, no Shell. D-Lo, no Shell. Peanut butter, no jelly. No baby mama.
Y'all are blowing it.
Crosswalk, bro. My man Josh don't obey the law. He from DC. He don't care. My man's from DC. He don't care about the street signs, bro. They just walk.
Fuck the sign.
Go. Hey.
Niggas on my don't be crazy.
Nigga, look who's in the car, bro.
Record
Look
that.
who's in the car. It doesn't match, bro. It doesn't match, bro.
Stop playing with John, bro. John really bought that life. Stop playing with John, bro.
John really be running this.
He's funny.
Huh?
John don't play by that life.
Back door. Glizzy monster, bruh. That hot dog was a foot long, bruh. Foot long hot dog. The fries bus. Huh? Walk left?
I don't care.
Nigga, who said we came for everybody, bruh?
Like, we didn't go to the site.
What? What? You're just walking on the concrete with no shoes? Are you okay? You're not in Ghana. You're not in Ghana, bro.
Whoa! Fuck!
Put cam. What did he say? Oh my god. Hey! Help!
Okay, leave me alone. It is what it is.
Are you recording?
Twizzies?
No, you can't really see, bro.
Not like that.
Are we gonna get these hot dogs?
That ain't hoodie. Bro, no, we not walking back over there.
We're not talking to you. We just got hot dogs. We're not, we're talking about
Where's Big David at, bro?
To do beach shit.
Alright, you guys wanna get food
Over
right
there.
there?
I'm not going to get him.
Y'all wanna get food right there? I'm not talking to you.
Right up the street. Walk up there. Which one is this? See, one of those chaperones. This is my group. This is my group. We don't mix. We don't intermingle. Where's your chaperone? Wait, so why are you standing with our group?
I mean,
Yo, Zaysha.
us.
Look at your feet.
Get the
Look at
fuck
your
out
feet.
of
Look at your feet. Ew.
Wait,
Hey.
why are there fire hydrants yellow? Stop.
No, your feet are done.
I know, but still, like,
Bro, your feet are done.
Actually from the sand.
Yo,
It's
stop
in the
capping.
sand. It's in the sand, bro. I've been in the sand.
Yo, sun doesn't do that to your toes. You're such a calf.
nigga, you got stars and Crocs on, boy. Stop trying to duck.
Your feet are fucked. Look at the sun shine
No,
off.
but this nigga has home posits on, bro. He has home posits on. At the boat. I seen a nigga in G's and Tim's, bro. G's and
Wait,
Tim's.
here? Wait,
On the beach?
Nigga in the water.
who's done that?
No, you're on the side. We're in the water.
That's so vicious. No, that's so...
That nigga on 4K.
Wait, why didn't you arrest him? You know this is that citizen's arrest?
Citizen's arrest, bro.
Let me see.
Hey, let me
That nigga
see.
walk in there. I said, what?
Hey, let me see.
Bro, that's a citizen's arrest. Like,
He's right there.
All right, cool.
he thought that.
That's so weird.
Oh!
He was recording us.
A citizen's arrest is what needs to happen, bro. Jesus.
I'm gonna pull it off.
That's disgusting. Prison. Hell.
No, don't do that. You guys wanna get food right there?
Nigga.
Watch that nigga. Nigga, he was standing right there for like 3 minutes. I watched him stand there, and I watched him do this.
Can we ask people questions? Are you going to?
Yeah, bro.
Why didn't you bring the water?
The nigga, he had a white stick with a
She
white
pressing
phone.
you out. Why didn't you do it?
I left him in the car. My fault. I forgot.
Like how you just made him feel bad, Zasia. Apologize.
Watch out.
No, but Zasia, you should apologize. That was really stuff. Why you press on that?
Nigga. Look, I just put the camera on your feet every time you say something.
Wow.
Okay.
Look at it.
Alright, I'm about to say, we go towards the bench.
Wait, what?
Looking at like,
What if he said, what is that? The vlog? The fuck him on that vlog?
This vlog, bro.
what if he did some wild shit?
Did a backflip? And then
Nah.
did it do it? Fuck his head up?
Oh shit.
He tried to do a backflip, just knocks his noggin.
I want this. Automatic. Now I want this nigga, bro. I don't want one. Now I want this nigga. I don't want one. Me neither.
No. Look at niggas running plays!
Nigga, it's not a play. I gotta tell him where I'm going. Fuck.
Oh, you're running? What? Oh, Nene?
This going to mixtape, bruh.
I got you. We told me to
I don't know if I can get off.
Come on, bro.
Oh yeah, CB, do him.
Set, go!
Oh! 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 How you feel, bro?
Hey, I mean, DB Nation over here.
Yeah, we are.
Sand kinda, I gotta get used to it a little bit. It's
Let's
not
go
my
on the hard
territory.
sand.
The hard sand?
Hard sand.
Only niggas who wear phone calls can request it.
You're doing good. Catch that line. Catch that line. And give me 360s. 360s. Okay. Okay. Who else on that?
Yes, we business on the way. Be on the lookout. Her business is on the way.
Shawty Minx.
Shawty Minx, okay? Her IG's right here. Be on the lookout.
30 mm.
30.
You're gonna get it 30.
Nothing
Not
shorter.
25, not 17, 30.
Not even 27. 30.
30.
Okay. What you got, Sherry?
I got ice cream right here. Rolled ice cream we got from the Jamaicans.
Yes. Vina, what you want? I'm coming. Yes, Vina. What you want, Ivy?
I got that.
You didn't get. Wait, come in the sun. Show them the bathing suit.
This is Calvin Klein.
Calvin Klein, 360.
Edition.
360. Everybody's out here vibing, bro. Good vibes. Yes.
D-Lo! You go, D-Lo! No, D-Lo!
That was a little harder than
Yeah, it does.
I'm a fitted line!
Why isn't it getting?
Nigga, why is it coming off?
Why is the finish so hard? David, why you always ducking? You have to beat me. Not all the way in the water this one. They're not. Like at least waist.
Y'all my sons for real.
At least waist deep.
Get light skin, get light skin. Ah, D-Lo. Slow mo. Ah. Ah. Whoa. Hey. All right. Charbel.
That's okay, bro. I got it. Give me them titties back.
Give me them titties back.
Hey, don't forget to do these titties, man. I did. I'll put the titties in your chest, boy. Look at that.
Don't be an ungrateful little.
Hey. That look like a
Woo!
like a
Oh my
double D,
God.
boy.
Who the hell is Dr. Miami, bro?
That's a solid.
You know, we still outside.
Outside, man.
This is the place we went. That's the hotel.
What?
This is the place we got. Where are they from? Well, it's the same store. Yeah, I really didn't bring a change of clothes, but I'm upset.
I did.
That's what I forgot.
I thought that's what you was getting the jump for. Oh, this way they got the Zero smoothies from. It look nice. Nice little team, bro.
Good.
Say what's up.
Good.
Go ahead, serve them up.
You forget what I used to do to you, bro?
Let me show you how to serve. On me.
Crawling, bro, crawling.
Yes, sir.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
They say love is hard to find. I'll chase you around and around in circles to make sure that you stay mine.